This is one of my favorite songs to sing because I booked most jobs with this piece of music. We were talking today in the opera music theater class, we were talking about how you choose different pieces to sing and how you get a job or audition. And I was reflecting on this piece of music. The music we sing is really like our interview or our the story that we're telling. So if you want to sing, just choose music you love. Doesn't matter what you're auditioning for, what you're singing for. If you sing something you love, you'll showcase yourself the best way. And let everyone else decide where you fit in. Don't fit yourself in. Just be yourself. This is My Beloved.